What is going on, everybody? I hope everybody is enjoying their week. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. My name is Black Apino, the Apple Guy. Please smash that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. That way you don't miss content when I drop it. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this. This is called the Small Cage. This is actually going to be for my Sony ZV-1. Now what this is, it is a full cage that actually you insert the Sony camera into, and it allows you to add other accessories to the camera as needed. Now this is my Sony ZV-1. Now as you can see, it only has one cold shoe mount. So I can use this one mount to add an external mic or add an external light source. But say I wanted to add more than just one of each. Well, with what is known as the cage, it allows me to actually add an extra set of accessories to this without having to change out multiple adapters and change out the adapters all the time. So say I have to swap out the cold shoot with the mic with a light if I want to do a vlog in this way, or I would have to kind of mount the lights this way and then have the mic adapter here. It just makes it a lot easier for me to actually install this inside what is known as the cage, and it allows me to add multiple accessories to this while still keeping everything on the camera as it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this. So we're going to pop this open right now and see what it looks like. So let's see what we get. So this is the cage with the wooden handle. Like I said before, there's different versions of this. There's just the regular one with just cage itself, and there's one like a black handle, and then there's one with a wooden handle. This is the one that's going to be the wooden handle one, and it does, I believe, come with an Allen wrench. So you basically would just take the Allen wrench and then you just screw this into the bottom of the camera itself. So as you can see, that is the wood handle. Actually pretty simple to hold. It's actually pretty light, lighter than I thought it would have been. These are the adjacent holes that you can use to attach different parts that you can order from SmallRig itself. And that's the bottom. As you can see, you can also thread this onto a tripod if you wanted to. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually open this one up and see what this consists of. So this looks like, you get an Allen wrench, another Allen wrench. So you get a plethora of Allen wrenches. So if you lose one, at least you know which ones to use. But there is a difference between the two, as actually this one is actually thicker than the other one. So just going to pop this out. I'm going to show the differences between the two. So this is the one that goes with the cold shoe. This is the one that goes with the SmallRig itself. So as you can see, there's that. You've got the thin one, you've got the super thick one, and then this is the hot shoe mount itself. It looks like it comes with some type of little screws that you would just screw onto the top of it. So that is the cold shoe mount. So basically this attaches to this way, and then it gives you an additional mount that you can add to your camera. Obviously, if you can't add one with the hot shoe, so what we're going to do is we're going to pop this onto this. So this bottom piece here attaches to the bottom of the camera itself. So we're just going to stick that on. Then you just take your Allen wrench and then you just simply screw. Now there's another one where you do it actually around the lenses themselves. I saw that one, but didn't particularly really want that one because I thought this one would just look a lot nicer. Plus I like that wooden handle. So then you just kind of make sure that this is nice and tight inside the threaded thing. And that's how that holds, so you can see. So the other one that you can buy also has one where it actually tightens around the lenses itself. I looked at that one, didn't particularly like it, didn't really care much for it. So, and now what we're going to do is we're going to attach the cold shoe mount to this Sony camera. So these are the two mounts that you're going to actually screw to this, and you simply just align them with the holes. Does take some getting used to the first two times. So once you get it in, just hold your finger down, then you just simply just screw one in. And once you get one in, then you just simply screw the other one in. And you just want it to be tight enough where it's on there tight, but not super tight. You don't need it to be stripping anything of any sort. And that is how that works. So again, you have your hot shoot right here, and then you have an extra hot shoot mount right there, and you still have access to all your cords right there. So I can have a light fixture here, as well as one for my mic here. And something else that actually would work well with this is called a rail system. Now how this would work is, oops, upside down, is you could take this SmallRig and you could actually add this to this, and actually I'll show you what it looks like once. I'll actually show you how this actually can work as well, especially when it comes to doing any type of tripod setup with this. Now this is something I ordered for Amazon. This is called a rail system. Basically what it allows you to do is it allows you to actually put your camera on this. You can use different types of rig configurations and kind of basically use this as like your one-arm branch system to pretty much add whatever you want to it in however configuration that you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to take my SmallRig, configure my SmallRig mount. I'm actually going to mount this to this and then to show you what I mean by how versatile this is. And I'll also have a link in the description for this, as I bought this from Amazon as well. So what we're going to do is you just simply just take this, and again, you have a mounting system on the bottom of this. So any hole you want to stick it in, it will thread to. But we're going to just use the middle one because it's the middle one and it's just easier. And that is everything for the unboxing of the SmallRig Cage from SmallRig. This is going to be for the Sony zv1, and this is just a rail system, and I'll have a link in the description for all of the items that I was just talking about. So stay tuned for my next video, actually when I do a full review on the Sony zv1 and why I think that it's the best vlogging camera for 2021. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and again, if this is your first time at my channel, don't forget to hit that bell notification and smash that subscribe button. That way you don't miss content when I drop it. Stay tuned for my next video, as I'll be doing a review on this. And again, the Black Apino the Apple Guy, and have a great week.